Beautiful, what's your name? How you doing? What's your name?
What?
I said, how you doing? What's your name? Beautiful.
Why would I give you my name? What's up?
Closed mouths don't get fed. What, you got a man or something? Or you too good at...
Maybe.
I mean, why you looking at me like that? You got a problem with my FUBUs?
Because why are you talking to me? We not even on the same caliber.
We're on the same caliber.
No.
Because I work hard every day, and I see a beautiful woman, and I got beside myself and asked you, what's your name?
I don't got no name. And I gotta go. I'm in a rush, so.
Oh, you in a rush, so you...
I'm in a rush.
You from Houston?
No, I'm not.
Okay, well, I'm sorry to bother you. You have a beautiful day, okay?
Go on.
Fix your attitude, too, okay?
Fix my attitude.
Take care.
Worry about my attitude.
You're right.
Worry about that 9 to 5.
The 9 to 5 I work?
Yeah, worry about that.
All right, have a nice day. 9 to 5. All right. Let's see about 9 to 5. So I say about these chicks. These cats be hyping these chicks' heads up, make them think that they bad. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
Nothing. I'm finna go to my 9 to 5.
Don't do all of that, because I ain't mean it like that. It wasn't that deep. Like,
Okay, let me step out the car for a second.
yeah, step out the car and talk to me.
What's going on?
What's up? You was just trying to talk. What's up?
Yeah, I was trying to be a gentleman, but I know that you're not really feeling all this right here.
I want you.
But I'm not on your level, though. We're on two different calibers.
No, I ain't mean all of that.
You didn't?
This might be a costume. What you want? You know, you in costume right now. I'm not tripping. It's cool. It's good.
I actually work.
You work? Okay, that's fine.
And
you work. You make money. I do too.
I'm wearing this costume because I actually own 3 McDonald's. So that's...
So you own them?
Yes,
like they're yours?
I own them. I'm the boss. They're mine. I have the keys. I have employees.
Okay, so hey, I'm Honey.
I'm Damien.
Nice to meet you.
Like, were you having a bad day or something, honey?
I was having a bad day. Don't mind me. Some happened with my stylist and my nails, and I'm just, you know.
All that hair? What do you mean happened with your hair?
It's time for a touch up.
Okay, well, since you were so rude, honey, why don't you give me a span? Turn around for me. Let me check you out. Mrs. Gucci bag. Is it stiff or do it work?
No, this is real. Everything is real.
Okay. So you've been inside a Rolls Royce before?
You want to let me in?
You gonna be nice? Because you was really mean a second ago.
Nice.
Why all the fine women gotta be so mean, man? Like, what's up with that?
We gotta be stiff on it.
Stiff. Come on, open the door.
What's that song Miguel said? What he said? All I want is you. I want you, okay?
Can't even be nice to a pretty woman.
I want you.
Watch yourself getting up in there. Good? Trifling ass gold digger. Okay, you good and comfortable?
I am.
All right, honey. You like what you see?
I like the red seats.
Okay.
It's cute.
Dip your head back and let me know what you're looking up at.
Okay. Stars in the ceiling. See, this is my type of vibe. Okay?
Absolutely. So tell me about yourself, honey. You say that you're not from here?
I'm not from here. I'm from Louisiana. I've been out here 2 years. That's where I get my money and have fun.
So, like, how do you get your money?
Being me.
Being you?
Being me.
Oh, okay. So
being me.
So, just being you, money just runs to you.
I'm the job. I don't work a job. I am the job.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Real.
Okay. So what type of stuff do you be doing? I mean, I need to know.
I do this. I be me. I ride around with rich. I spend time with rich. I get them what they want, and they give me what I want.
Oh, you be throwing it back?
That's too much for talking. Like,
I mean, you said rich.
I mean, if you want to find out any of that, you have to spend money.
I mean, how much money I got to spend?
You got to spend a bag. You got to really spend it. I need a few thousand, couple thousand, something.
I don't know what I got.
Big bag.
Big bag, huh?
I see dollars. I see singles.
I see it. I got 3.
You can't get nothing from me. What the is wrong with you? You pulled out some $1 bills. Is you cool?
Well, there's a couple large faces.
I see 100. I said a bag. That's not a bag. I spend that on eating. I spent my wigs cost more than what you just put out. Is you cool?
Why you gotta go off on me though? Honey?
Cause I don't know you. I feel like you just play with me.
Can't we just
like I'm a cheap? I'm not a $40. It's nothing over here cheap about me.
I don't consider you no whore.
Okay, so that ain't what it is, and I ain't finna do this with you. What this is, a motherfucking rental?
No.
You in a rental car? Ain't no way. You own this. You own McDonald's, pulling out $200 and some change.
It's actually almost $400.
That still ain't enough.
Okay, let me ask you something, honey. So, like, what type of stuff do you want to go do? Like, you like to eat and stuff?
I want to go shopping.
I want to
spend some money.
So, what type of shop? Well, like Walmart or something?
Oh, no. Take me to the Galleria. I like Louis Vuitton. Do you see this bag? This is real Gucci. I like Gucci. I got on the newest shoes that...
These Walmart had these last month for like $29.
Walmart?
They are named.
Who the shop at Walmart?
Wow. So do everything got to be top notch off the gate?
For me, it does.
Can we spend like a month or two together before we start?
No, we have to spend it. Matter of fact, it costs you to talk to me. So give me that little money out your pocket because I need that for talking to you and sitting in this vehicle with you.
But you came back because you realized that I'm a boss.
Nah, you playing with me right now. So since you so much of a boss, pay for my conversation.
Let me ask you though, honey. You
You
realize on the sidewalk that I wasn't what you thought I was when you seen a Rolls Royce. So obviously you know I got that bag. So why can't you just... And
you finna spend it. You finna spend it immediately. Right now.
We can only get the chance to get to know each other a little bit.
My pink, my booty brown. Where is I'm looking for the... Let's quit playing. Yeah, you trying to be my sugar daddy?
So can we spend some time together, like watch Netflix, make some
fried
green tomatoes at my house and stuff,
we
and watch
spending
TV?
Time right now.
But do it got to be about money right
Baby,
this second?
Yes, they do. Put some money in my hand.
Tell me, like, how old are you?
That don't matter. I'm grown, and I'm about my money. So spend some money or stop talking to me, because I'm about to get out this car.
Why is you coming off to me as like a gold digger? I'm trying to meet a good woman.
I could be that too, but you got to spend some money for that.
But why you got to act like a gold digger, Tamika?
I'm about the money. You gonna spend it or not? Because you wasting
why you gotta be so...
Time is money, and you're wasting my time right now, okay?
But why do you gotta be so rude, Tamika? I'm trying to be nice to you.
Look, I just left from getting my hair done. You gonna reimburse me? Literally just got out the chair.
So you want me to reimburse you for your hair?
Reimburse me?
But I just met you. We can't do something?
I don't want to do nothing.
We can't even... Can I even touch your finger or something?
Pay for it.
You want me to pay you to touch your finger? How much that gonna cost me?
Pay for the... Get your bands up, or you ain't tricking. I'ma hit your bands up.
You ain't the girl that I thought you was. You looked so innocent walking down the sidewalk.
I am a sweetheart.
You're nothing but a gold digger.
I'm a sweetheart.
No, get your
I'm a sweetheart.
Bro. Get your out of my car.
What?
That's disrespectful.
Okay, I'm just playing. Calm down. We playing right now. It's a joke.
I'm not with no gold diggers, man. Listen,
okay.
Tamika, you gotta go. Go find you a grandpa.
You is the grandpa.
Gold digger.
Learn how to spend some money, Papa.
Yo,
old
fake.
Ass. It's fake. This is real.
That Gucci bag probably
and
fake.
You want to taste it, and that's why you ain't getting that. That's
I wouldn't taste that. I want bugs on my tongue. Bugs on my tongue. Man, this chick is ratchet as... Here, I thought that she was a nice looking chick, bro. She ratchet as... bro. That's what I call ratchet. I ain't never stooping that low, bro. Listen, I'm out, man. These... Boy. Lying talking about Louisiana. No, you from Houston, girl. Liar.